Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Eevee from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. For chin, draw a curve shape below the circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw nose slightly below intersection. Draw mouth. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw hair on the head. Draw a circle below head for the ribcage. Draw a circle at the right side of the ribcage for the pelvic structure. Connect two circles to complete body shape. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw hair below head. Draw hair below head. Draw tail. Detail the tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.